Hello and welcome. This is Dolly with Elite KY Homes in the state of Florida and Kentucky. How are you all? I come to you answering one of the questions that I recently have. And it was, how old do I have to be to purchase a home? That's a great question. One, you can purchase a home either cash. Let's say, you inherit some money from family or you just have the money somehow. Then you can purchase the house cash, or you can do it through a loan. If you purchase it cash, it doesn't matter how old you are. If you purchase it through a loan, lenders normally require you to be at least 18 years of age, because whenever you are 18, you are legally responsible for any legal documents that you sign. If you are 17 years old or younger, the loans, the mortgage, the notes, all these documents that you have to sign at closing, basically saying that you are going to repay that debt, they are not enforceable. So lenders will actually require you to be at least 18 years of age. I hope this helped and answer your question. Thank you.